We're gonna go mad, which means I'm gonna stick my balls in his face and then we're gonna see his reaction. Let's go. Matt. You're a fucking prick. I want to punch you in the balls.